So this is the K-map of the full adder, okay, and this is the expression. Now we want to draw the logic diagram of the full adder. So we have X XOR Y XOR Z, this will give me the S, and then we will have XY, okay, where you have an and XOR Z, okay, so this is going to give you the carry. If you check the equation of the C, notice please that you have X XOR Y XOR Z, and you have C equals XY with an and in between, plus X XOR Y and Z. So this is the equation of C, and this is the equation of the sum. Because every time you have a sum in the full adder, it means you are adding A plus V plus the carry. So these are my X, Y, Z, the one that I'm listing, X, Y, Z, A, U, B, and the C as a carry, okay? And every time you do an addition, you are going to have A plus B plus the carry. It will give you a sum, okay? It will give you a sum, and it will give you another carry. The carry that you will get will be considered as the value that is included in the next addition that you have. I'll give an example here that makes it clearer. Notice please here, what do we have? We have the first carry. What did we agree the first carry is always going to be?
0.
Yes. So this is the 0. You have A0 plus B0. It will give you now S0 and a carry. The carry that comes out of the first full adder will go as input to the next full adder. See how iterations work? Okay, so here I have 4 iterations. How come?
I have 3 carry.
Yes, but how come I have 4 iterations? Because I have a 4-bit adder. So I am actually adding A plus B. A is 4 bits and B is 4 bits. You got the idea? So let me give an example here where you will add a 4-bit. Okay, so notice please, this is my A, it is 1, 0, 1, 1. And this is my B, it is 0, 1, 1, 0. So I have A and B. A is 4 bits and B is 4 bits. We start with the addition. A0 plus B0, yes please. It will give you
1,
1.
0,
and
1,
carry 0.
0.
And here you will have a 0, carry 1.
carry 1,
And here you will have a 0, carry 1.
0 carry 1.
And here you will have a 0 and a carry 1. Can anyone tell me what is this one here? Where is it in the figure?
على الكاري
Which one?
كاري 2
No.
على الكاري 1 احنا بلشنا من هنا.
No. I'm telling you this. What is this? Look.
Carry 4.
Yes, it is the last. Okay? Clear? This is the last carry. So coming out from the 4th full adder. And this is the 4th full adder, right? Okay, so I am having 4 full adders connected. What do I mean by connected? The carry that comes out of this sum will be added to the next addition. Clear the idea? We will start now when you have unsigned subtraction. If you are unsigned, both my numbers are positive, okay? And I am trying to subtract them. I will have 2 cases. If I am subtracting m minus n, let's say, if m is bigger than n, you will get, of course, a non-negative number. How about if n is bigger? What's going to happen if n is bigger? You will actually have a negative answer. You agree? Right? So how do you write negative numbers in binary? I will skip this idea, and I will start with the 2's complement. Let me explain to you what is 2's complement. 2's complement is a way of writing a negative number, but in binary, okay? I will give an example of doing that, so check this. This is 0, 0, 1, 1. What is this number, please? 3. But I want you now to think more of signs. So this is plus 3. You agree? Okay. How do you write now minus 3? I want to write minus 3. I'll give you two methods of doing it. The first method is going to be you create the ones complement of it. Yani you actually do the complement, then you add 1 to it. Okay, so we will try with this. Yes, please. Who can give me the complement of 0, 0, 1, 1? Just complement it, a simple complement. How would you do it? 1 will become...
1 1 0.
Yes, this is a simple complement. Any difficulty? Okay. After you do one's complement, I want now to add 1 to it. And this will give me 1, 0, 1, 1. What is this? This is minus 3 in 2's complement. Did you get the idea? Yes, please.
دكتور يعني بس نخلص بنزيد 1 عليها.
This is one's complement and add 1 to it.
Okay.
It will give you the 2's complement. 2's complement is the negative representation of any number. So any number you have in mind, you can write it in positive or in negative. 9 plus 9 minus 9 minus 62 plus 62. So any number in binary, you can write it in plus or in minus. Okay? And we will be using binary to do it. And how are we going to convert any number positive to negative? We will be using 2's complement. So what do you do to create 2's complement? This is the first method I just told you. Yes, Carmen, what would you do to make it 2's complement? You do 1's
We find
complement.
the complement
Yes.
and then we add 1.
Yes. So we find the 1's complement, then you add 1. What will this give me is the 2's complement. Okay, I'll give you now method 2. So this is method 1. I'll give you now method 2. Look, please. 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay? Listen to the sentence. You will need it in logic design and you will need it in architecture. The sentence says, you keep going until you reach the first one, then you complement the rest. Did you understand? This is 2's complement. You keep going until you reach the first one, then you complement the rest. Okay? So what is this number, please?
Minus 3.
Very good. Do you see the similarity with this minus 3? Yes?
Yes.
So now we have 8 bits. What is the biggest number that you can write in 8 bits? Okay, the biggest number. It is the case where you actually have all of them 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So it is 255. So this value is 255 in decimal. So the biggest number I could write in 8 bits is 255. Okay? Now that this is for positive numbers, unsigned. What if I have a negative number? The biggest number that I'm going to write, because one of the bits, which is the most significant bit, will be for the sign, the maximum number that I could reach is 127 or minus 27. How come? How come the number is less that I could write? Because I am not using 8 bits anymore. I am using 7 bits. What happened to the 8th bit? It is for the sign. Okay? Clear? Can you repeat, please?
ماشي لأنه عملنا آخر شيء minus 1.
Yes, this is, you are talking about this? No, that's a different issue. Check. You have 2 to the power 8. 2 to the power 8 is 256. You agree? These you should memorize. 2 to the 7, 2 to the 8, 2 to the 9 is 512. Okay? So 2 to the 8 is 256. 2 minus 1 for that, it will give you 255. This is where you got the 255 from. Okay? Clear?
Okay.
So what is the ones complement? The ones complement of any value is you just complement it, okay? You just give a complement of it. So it is, let's say you are talking about this n, okay, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, just complement it. It will give you 0 for it, okay, you just complement it by 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. It's a simple complement, okay? So, but does this give you the negative representation of the number? No. How do you make a negative representation of any number? You will have to find it in 2's complement. So I'll make sure you understand the example. Yes, please. Okay, who can give me, I'll put this as easier. Who can give me the 2's complement of this number? This is a positive number. Who can give me the negative representation of it, the 2's complement of it?
يلا دكتور انا بروح معاك.
Yeah.
1
1
0
1
0.
1
No. Repeat the sentence that I told you. You keep going.
فينا نعملها؟
بس خليه يصلحها ربيع. Give him a chance.
مش ذاكر you keep going بس مش ذاكر
You keep going until you reach the first one.
اوكي.
Then you complement the rest. انت بلشت لي دغري 1 1 ما هيك؟
صح.
كنت عم بتبلش من هون ولا من هون؟
لا كان عم بلش على اليمين. لا
لا غلط. لكن you keep going until you reach the first one, then you complement the rest. You see the answer?
اوكي gotcha.
يلا one more for you.
Gotcha.
One more for you. يلا.
اوكي it's 0 مع اليمين. اوكي it's another 0
Yeah.
0
ليه ما بتعيد السنتنس براسك؟ You keep going until you reach the first one.
I keep going till the first one. Then
ما بتغير شيء. كلمة you keep going until you reach the first one يعني you copy them the same. This is you keep going, okay?
Okay.
And then you complement the rest.
Okay.
Any
Gotcha.
question, guys? Did you get it?
بعد ما فهمتها.
بعد ما فهمتها. Yeah.
بس دكتور الشاشة عندي عم بدها يعني بعد على هداك السلايد مش عم تزيح.
كلكم ولا بس هو؟
لا يمكن بس أنا.
What can I do? It's your internet.
فيني يعني أطلع وأرجع فوت على الميتينج.
Yes, you can, but I am finishing. Start 46. I still have 4 minutes. Okay, so how do you do it? Keep following. You can watch it on the recording. Okay, how do you convert this? Yalla, who can do this for me? Yalla, Joe, can you?
Yes.
Yeah.
0 0 0 1 وبيرجع 0 1 0 1.
So you keep going until you reach the first one, and then you complement the rest. Clear the idea? What am I doing? This is the positive representation of the number. This is the negative representation of the number. We call it the 2's complement. Okay? What is it important?
ماشي حال.
Okay. So why is it important that you do the 2's complement in 2 methods? Because, check this please, you have A minus B. It is going to be A plus minus B. Do you agree? Isn't this the same?
Yes.
And what is minus B? It is 1's complement plus 1. Do you agree? Okay, so this is the first method of finding the 2's complement. The other method is by doing 1's complement plus 1. This is the first method. The second method is you keep going until you reach the first one, then you complement the rest. So notice here, please, you keep going until you reach the first one, so 0, 0, 1, and then you complement the rest. Okay, guys? So this is how you find the 2's complement for any number. Now I have a remark. I told you that the number is in 2's complement. I already gave you the number and it is in 2's complement. Check this, please. So it's going to be 0. Okay. So I already told you that this is a number, it is in 2's complement. Question, is the number negative or positive? I told you it is in 2's complement already. Is the number negative or positive?
Negative.
It is negative. I told you it is in 2's complement, so it is a negative number. Okay? How can you know what was it originally? What was the number in binary, not in 2's complement? How would you do it? You repeat the same.
Complement.
Yes, you repeat the same
subtract
sentence, but be
1.
careful. 2's complement, okay? Not 1's complement, 2's complement. يلا
مش
do it.
بدنا نعمل minus 1
Yes, this is a minus, okay? You want to know its original. Yes, you keep going until you reach the first one, and then you complement the rest. Okay? Clear? So this is the negative representation of the number. This is the positive representation of the number. Okay? So this is how you determine the 2's complement. If given in 2's complement, it means it is already negative. So you know the original of it. What was it before it was, if it is minus 17, you have to complement it again, so you know that it is plus 17. Okay? Clear? So every time you are doing subtraction, you have to worry about if it is A minus B. As I said, it is A plus minus B. So what am I really doing here? And if it is A plus B, I am simply doing addition, no problem. So I am always doing addition. Check this, please. So A plus B. I am always doing addition. Do you agree? A is always A. Addition is always addition. What varies between these two is the B. B could be positive B or it could be negative B. Did you get the difference? So I could be doing plus B or I could be doing plus minus B. Okay? How is it going to be subtracted if you have a number with 2's complement? So check this case, please. You have this number, they are unsigned, and this is also a number, and they are unsigned. But what's the plan here is that you are subtracting. When you are subtracting them, it means you will have to do the 2's complement of the second number, as if you are doing A minus B. It's going to be A plus minus B. Clear? So you have to do the 2's complement of the second number. How do you find the 2's complement of the second number? You will have to complement it. 1 second. You will have to complement it. One second. Okay. So here you will have to do 0, 1, 1, 0. So you copy it the same. And this you will have to complement. Okay. How do you complement this number? You keep going until you reach the first one. So you copy a 1. And then you do 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. And you add. Okay. I don't like that they are not put 1. Okay. So I will write it here to do it. So 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. And now I write the complement, which is 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. And now I will add them. So I'm doing a simple addition. Remember, always it is an addition. But what varies that this is a number negative and this is a positive number, okay? So now I do 1, 0, 0 carry 1, 0 carry 1, 1 carry 1, 0 carry 1, 0 carry 1, 0 carry 1, okay? The carry of 1 indicates that no correction of the result is required, and we discard the last one. Okay? Clear? So I am subtracting 2 values. How do you verify your answer? I do 1, 2. So what is this number now in decimal, please? So it is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. So this is going to be 64 plus 20. It is number 84. You see what I am doing? And now what is this number, please? It is 3, 64, right? So 64 plus 3, it is 67. Okay, sorry, 67. Okay, when subtracting 84 plus 67, we got the answer at the bottom. Okay, so it is minus 67, so it is 17, right? Look now, please, here to verify your answer. 1 plus 16 is 17, and it is a correct answer. Did you see it?
دكتور بس ليش شلنا ال1؟
Because the carry of
carry
1,
one.
yes, the carry of 1 indicates that no correction of the result is required. It is already a positive number. No need to convert it back to 2's complement to know its original. Okay? You always in the sum line subtracting a minus b. If you get a carry, you ignore. We call it, we discard the carry. Okay? Okay, I will stop now and we continue next time.